what actually is the most important thing you can do to get over that fear of the gym? I know it's not as easy as just changing your perspective, thinking about it differently. That won't work. So, the most important thing is to know what your fear is going to the gym and go right into it. So, that means you actually have to go to the gym. So, yes, changing your mind, changing your perspective, knowing that no one's probably thinking about you the way they think you think they're thinking about you is number one. But you have to get off your butt and walk into that gym door. The hardest thing in the gym is actually getting to the gym. You have to make that choice every day. If you can make that choice and then take those steps to it, once you walk in that door of the gym, it all just kind of goes away. It makes it way much easier. Like I said, the consistent choice you make daily to go to the gym is the actual hardest part of the actual gym. So keep making that choice every day. Do the best you can, consistency over perfection, and keep going.